How to set up mobile 5G Wi-Fi home internet setup here on your home or installation guide step by step in this video. Now, step 1 will be unbox and power on the gateway. Inside the box you will find the 5G gateway, modem or router combo. Now, next thing you will want that is power adapter, a quick start guide. So you simply have to plug the power cable into the back of the gateway and the other end into a wall outlet. The gateway will turn on automatically, wait for it to be fully boot up. Now download the T-Mobile Internet app. Get the T-Mobile Internet app from the App Store, that is iOS or Android Google Play Store. Open the app and log in with your T-Mobile ID if you don't have one. Create an account during the setup process. Find the best location for your gateway. Use the app to help you find the strongest 5G signal spot in your home. Place it near a window, preferably on a higher floor and away from all walls and obstruction. Now connect to the Wi-Fi. Your gateway will broadcast to Wi-Fi networks 2.4 GHz, that is long range, and 5 GHz, that is short range and faster speed. Now find the Wi-Fi network and password printed on the label on your gateway in the app. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it.